Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Scared of the Dark by Boywithuke, so make sure you got your ukes in tune. G, C, E, A. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Scared of the Dark by Boywithuke. This song has 4 chords, and the verses are a little bit different than the chorus, so we're going to do this in 2 separate parts, but we're going to go ahead and start with the chorus. So let's get closer and get to the chords. I also want to interrupt. My UkeAndMe little project is out now, the acoustic project that I'm doing. It's on my Spotify. If you didn't see the video that I posted, it's there too, but it's on like all streaming platforms. So yeah, support me and go check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, so this song has 4 different chords, and for the chorus, they start with C sharp major 7, which is barring this 1st fret and then putting your ring finger on the bottom string 3rd fret. The chord after that is a C minor. It's just these bottom 3 strings on the 3rd fret. You can play it with whatever finger you like. For this song specifically, it might be better to play with your middle finger because the next chord is a G sharp, which looks like this. And I know this is crazy, but don't run away yet because there's an easy version of this, and I'll show it to you right after we do the hard one. So from the C minor, the next chord is G sharp. You bar this 1st fret, put your ring finger on the bottom string 3rd fret, your pinky on the 3rd string 4th fret, and then your ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret. It looks pretty crazy, right? So the easy version of that is just ignoring this top string. You do this G shape in the spot of those fingers. So middle finger, bottom string 3rd fret, pointer finger, 2nd string 3rd fret, and then ring finger, 3rd string 4th fret. And the chord after that is an F minor, which is your pointer finger on the top string 1st fret, your middle finger on the 3rd string 1st fret, and then your pinky on the 4th string 3rd fret. And those are all 4 of the chords for the whole song and for the chorus. But the verses and the post-chorus are a little bit different, but they're the same chords, they're just in a different order. So for the chorus, the order is C sharp major 7, C minor, G sharp, which you can play this way, this is the easier way, and then F minor. And you play that all the way through, and then the last line of the chorus, you would only play the C major 7, the C minor, and then you play the G sharp twice. You don't switch to the F minor when you get to that last line. And then the post-chorus is the same thing, it's the C sharp major 7, C minor, and then G sharp twice. So those are basically connected. You just do that second part together, and that's like considered the post-chorus. But the strumming pattern, let me move the camera a little further away, for the chorus is a normal down, down, up, down, up, which is like one of the most basic strumming patterns that you learn when you play ukulele. So each chord, you do that 1 time. So starting with the C sharp major 7, down, down, up, down, up, C minor, down, down, up, down, up, G sharp, down, down, up, down, up, and then the F minor, down, down, up, down, up. And it's just like that throughout the whole thing. And then when you get to the last line, it's just C sharp major 7, C minor, and then G sharp twice. Now let's get to the verses. Alright, so the chords for the verses are the same ones, but they're just in a different order. So now we're going to start with the F minor, and then go to the C major 7, and then the G sharp twice. And the strumming pattern is still the same. It is still the down, down, up, down, up on each chord. So starting with the F minor, then the C sharp major 7, and then G sharp twice. And yeah, that's the chorus. So let's go ahead and put all that stuff together and try to sing this little song here. Don't you tell me you're fine, I can tell when you're lying. Caught you slipping on ice, but your heart is on fire. Yes, 'cause I notice your scars, and I know that it's hard. And I don't wanna start getting all freaking quiet, 'cause we made it so far, I don't wanna restart. Recollecting these sparks, reconnecting these wires, 'cause I'm scared of the dark. Can we skip to the part where you fall in my arms and you tell me you're tired? You can tell me you're tired. So not too bad, not too easy, not too hard. It's like right in the middle. I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Scared of the Dark by Boywithuke. This one's really cool and really fun to play. I know it's a little tricky at first, but hopefully you can get the hang of it and it helps. So let me know if it does, and let me know what other songs you guys want, and yeah! See you guys in the next one.
Sleeping into beds, is it sweet?